Hey guys, how's it going? John over at Turning Wrenches. Good afternoon. How you doing today? Where are we on? Episode 5 on this thing? Yeah, because it only took 4 to get it done. Duh, I'm forgetting. Yesterday I didn't wrench on anything. I went and took my truck to get some new tires on there. 4 brand new tires, because the truck originally had, the truck originally was supposed to have 205, P205, 75 R15. And when I bought the truck a year ago, here in October, somebody had put on their 225s, 70 R15. So, truck was alright driving, but it didn't do good, especially got on the highway. It would start shaking really bad. So yesterday I went and got 4 brand new tires for it. The original tires that were supposed to be on the truck. So that's all squared away now. Good to go there. So I did that. So didn't do no wrenching yesterday. Was mostly doing that. So as you saw from the last episode we did on this one, we got it up and running. You can see the blades engaged and all that. There's still some twigs and stuff that's still on the deck that needs to be addressed, and all that. I need to, unfortunately I forgot to get the Gorilla tape I needed to get today to fix the seat. I was planning on fixing the seat. So I'm probably going to get some silicone and probably glue that down. I need to clean up this mower, make it look a little bit better than what it does. There, get all the spots off. I'll probably take some soap and water or take a scour pad and probably go after it, go to town on it. Off camera before I turned it on, that right tire kept losing air. I went ahead and put a tube in it, so that's all good to go. This one right here, they had the valve stem on the inside and stuff, and all the bearings on different sides, so I had to switch that around, put the valve stem back on the outside where it's supposed to be. So that's all squared away. Also, I did this yesterday. I think this one originally had a bumper on it, and it rotted out. So I took my grinder and cut it off, and I took my 98-cent spray can black paint from Walmart and cleaned that up. I cleaned all the edges off a little bit. They're a little sharp, but not as bad there. So I ran it a little bit. Still, it's got the little rust stuff that keeps coming out of the muffler. But other than that, it still runs good here. So I'll show you guys real quick. Remember, I still got to fix the seat. So, like I said, it still surges. I think I still got to address the carburetor a little bit, but I'm not worried about that at the moment. It runs. We'll run it. Need to run it through its paces, get it out on there, run it about. So, I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse real quick. I'm going to clean this thing up, make it look a little bit better than what it does, and take it out on the road here, my neighborhood, and see how it drives. Okay, so off camera, I cleaned up the headlights the best I could. There's some little pitting and stuff on that little plastic pieces there. I couldn't get some of this stuff off on this side without almost scratching the wind, so I left it alone. I didn't want to come out of there, but he cleaned up better. So, I'll give you a look around the tractor real quick, or the riding mold real quick. I still got to clean up the back here. That can be done. That's no problem. No big deal. I'll clean that up. This is what it looks like right now. Looks better than what it did when I first brought it home. So, that's apart from the seat, which that will be taken care of. Next episode, I'll get that seat squared away. There, I'm not going to try to find a seat for it. I'll just put some tape around it and just cover it up the best I can. It still functions as a seat. It's just got a chunk out of it there. So let's start this puppy up and take it for a drive real quick, shall we? Awesome. Actually, didn't sound too bad as it ran. Haha. Woo! Not bad, not bad, not bad. Alright, let me put you guys back on here real quick. Look at her at all her glory. Let me hook you guys back up to the mic real quick. There we go. Alright. It's all cleaned up. I didn't get the chance to clean out from underneath the deck like I wanted to because I was trying to clean all the lenses and all that stuff on there. I'll probably do that next episode as we're trying to fix the seat on here too. And then hopefully enough, I think everything else is good to go on it. It's running good. It's not surging now as it did. So maybe I got it fixed. So got a tube in it today. I put added some more oil in it because it was a little low. Cleaned it up. You know, I fixed this already, so everything's all squared away on it. So yeah, only took 4 episodes originally to get this thing going, and I'm actually happy about it. Oh, I never checked to see if it was charging. It should be because it's starting up by the battery. We'll do that next episode, okay? So Fearless DJW wanted me to check and make sure it was charging by the alternator there, since I fixed that magneto by gluing that together. But it looks like it's working since starting up. So I want to thank you guys for watching me today on this episode here. We took it around my neighborhood a little bit there, went up down the road there and stuff. So yeah, I'm stoked. I finally got one fixed. Didn't give me that much trouble. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Like, share these videos, and as always, see you guys next time on Turning Wrenches. Take care.